Hello, guys. Hello, viewers. How are you doing? So, if you have ever wondered or staying at your screen wondering what to post next, this video is for you. So, I'm about to show you how I get viral YouTube ideas in literally 2 minutes using this AI tool called CreativeFuel. No stress, no guessing, just idea that actually works. So, let's go. The first thing we're going to do is that we're going to go to Creative for Yeah, I will leave the link below so you can try it yourself. So let's sign up. Yeah. So once you sign up, this is what the dashboard looks like. So it will ask you to paste your profile link. So you think of it like a content idea generator. It studies what's already going viral and help you create your own version in your own style. Imagine. So now I have one of my channel link already, so let's just paste it here. And now here it will so so it will analyze your channel, everything that is working, everything you're doing, everything you do on your channel, it will analyze everything. So now and bring those let's give it a minute. So now this channel, it has analyzed it. So for this channel now, it's like a animation video Bible story channel. Yeah. So it's for animation viewing Bible story. So now you come here, click continue. You see now everything. This is what I do. And you see now it gives us Bible stories, 3D animation. Those are literally the topics I talk about. It gives you all the topics. That's part of the analysis you do. Then let's go to my audience. You see now. So creative for scans your channel and show your content that perform well in your needs. Like it scan your content, like just like it scan your channel and show you content and videos that perform well in your niche. So you will see top videos, trending hooks, even their engagement rate. So you can know exactly what your audience is watching right now. So now, you see now, let's continue. We go to continue. Let's click continue. You see now, this is what I'm talking about. You see, these are inspiration channel. Like this Bible chronic animation now, it does exactly maybe something similar to what I do. And this is Faith Christian School of Distance. I don't know what it is. It's just something similar to what I do. Now I'm going to add one. Maybe I can still add one. I don't know the link, but maybe I should search. You can add Bible in a nutshell or chronic of forgotten the name. But you can add anything. But let's just say this one is okay because it has already analyzed this and give us this. So let's just finish. Let's continue and let's go. So I have no idea here. I have no idea because I'm just creating this channel. So let's just go to generate new video ideas. Now we're going to imagine. You see what is written and what it's written. Apply the concept of any successful video to your specific audience. Now let's just click on select this. You want to reimagine. Now look at this. Look at this. Look at this. So look at this. True horror stories animated a day in the life as first person prison. You see now what this looks like. So David's biggest mistake. You see now something like this. You see. This is something like look at those. You see now today is a great day to conquer your giants. Look at those animated Bible story. You see now. Those are animated story. Look at. Can you see now? So now what you guys do is that you just let's say you want to go with one. Let's see which one you can go with. Let's just go with this. God's upside down kingdom Bible songs. Okay. Let's see Jesus is coming. Let's see what we can go for here. Let's go for this. Bible Chronic. You see now, look at this. Let's go for this. Bible Chronicle animation. Let's go for this. Let's see this. You see now the Tower of Babel. Let's go for the Tower of Babel, the story of humanity, rebellion, and God's judgment, animated Bible story. So I have no idea. I have nothing for this video. No, I just put my channel link on this on this website, on this site, and it analyzes and give me things I can post. So now I will just go to generate ideas because I literally have no ideas. I want it to generate ideas for me so we can work with it. So now let's go to generate idea. You see now, it gave me different ideas. It gave me the Ark of Noah, a tale of God promise and salvation, animated Bible story. It gives the courage of Esther, a story of faith and delivery, animated Bible story. The miracle of Elijah, God's power revealed. You can see those now. Those are those like animated Bible story that have gone viral, that people have watched, that people liked. You see now, these are the kind of topic that are working in this niche that I posted, this profile that I posted on the link. So now let's go with the second one. You see now, this is the source. This top is the source. You see now, the Tower of Babel, the story of humanity, rebellion, and God's judgment is the source. And this is the suggestion it gave us. You see now, you can see the suggestion. So you can see the Ark of Noah, it's all of God. So let's just go with the first one. Let's go now, please. Let's plan this video. Let's see how it is. Have you already written a script for this video? I haven't. Which I haven't. No, I haven't. So now, you see now, help us understand what main concepts you want included in this video. You see now, you can just say outline. Let us bring the topic. You see, God's instructions to now, building the ark, gathering the animals, the dove and the oil, the float, the seats, not family with the ark. So let's just go with everything because I think everything is part of the story. Everything is part of the story. So let's just outline. You see now, look at this. It gives us the structure. You see now, use storytelling arc for better. It gives us the hook, the conflict, and the stake, and the story come and climax. Sorry. So now you go to the audience. You see now demography. You see Christian. You see the voice and tone. My channel. You see now. So now let's go to generate video outline. Yeah. Generate video details. Let's give it a minute.
A few moments later.
Okay. Yes. You see now. Maybe because I choose so much of the outline of the keywords of the hook. So that's why it takes a lot of time to generate. But yeah, here we are. So now here is our video outline. You see, I told you that it's going to give us like a thumbnail idea we can use. Just look at this epic flood adventure. I know I can use this, right? But at least it gave me like a thumbnail idea, inspiration that we can use. So now you see, you can decide to improve the title, replicate stock videos in my niche, you can decide. You see now, the arc of Noah, it's all of those premises, and you see, this is too much. I think you can just add the rest yourself. So now here we have the concept, we have the title here. Now let's go to the thumbnail. You see now, it gives us a space here to upload your thumbnail. You can upload your thumbnail here, or better still, you go with this concept, you go with something like this. You see, that's actually okay. Or it gives us an inspiration. You see, those are inspirations. Look at inspirations for the thumbnail. You see, if you want to see more inspiration, then you continue. Now we go to the metadata. I don't know what you guys call it. So now we go to the metadata. Look at just just see how beautiful this site is. It gives you the tags you can put. You don't have to go to ChatGPT to generate any tags for you. All you just have to do is come here, copy this link, and paste it straight into your videos. So now let's go to the script. So now it gives us a full outline script, how you can follow to get this video exactly how you're supposed to do it. So now we go to introduction to the story of the Noah. Like that take 45 minutes. Normally, I wouldn't like my video to take this long. 45 minutes is a whole long of time. So you can just absorb this a little bit. give it a little bit of a little bit of trekking. You trek it in and out. So you trek the introduction to the story of Noah, brief introduce the tale, highlight its importance in biblical teachings, emphasize God's decision to cleanse the earth. So now, God's instructions to Noah. Building the ark, gathering the animals, the flood begins. The survivor of the ark, the dove and the olive branch. The flood recedes. Noah's family leaves the ark. God's covenants with Noah. The rainbow as a symbol of promise. Lesson from Noah's faith and obedience. Conclusion and reflection on God's promise and salvation. Now see now it gives you everything you can work on. All you just have to do is follow this outline and create your script. So now let's go to the next one. The amazing part is it gives you monetization, like a monetization. Um, I don't know how to put it, but this kind of a niche. This is what you do. So you can find something here and monetize, like an affiliate that you can use as an affiliate. You see, link to animated Bible stories, DVDs, children Bibles, religion, education stories, and family devotionals. And this one too, faith gets together, provide links to Bible story materials, children Bible story, and devotionals that enhance the theme of your video. You see, share affiliate links to faith theme gift cards, and home decor items that complete the themes of God promises and salvation. So yeah, see how those work. That is exactly how it works. Now let's say okay, we want to go with everything this as preview. Let's see, let's give us a preview of what our video should look like if you maybe go with this topic and post everything. So let's see the preview. Let's see what it's going to look like. Now look at it. This is your video here. You see now there is Think Jesus Network, the Great Flood. You see now, and this feels forward. The Ark of Noah, it's all of God promises and salvation animated history 21 days ago. Look at Kelsey. So imagine you creating this topic. It shows you how your page is going to be, how your homepage is going to be, how your video is going to work. You see now, and this actually looks good. So thank you for watching this video to the last part of it. So if you want something more or a creator tip that's going to help you get more viewers or more watch hours, you can just let me know. Put it right at the comment section and I'll see you in my next. Bye bye.